Good morning, everyone. Honorable Deputy Speakers, Secretary, Legislative Assembly, academicians, distinguished panelists, and ladies and gentlemen. I think this is the moment and occasions the Assembly, Arunachal Pradesh State Assembly, Legislative Assembly has rightly organized these occasions to reflect ourselves, to introspect ourselves, what we have done so far in last 50 years. Really, it's a moment of cherish. But when we cease in the term of civilizations, the 50 years is nothing. But when we cease, the inception of representatives, democratic governance, is really a landmark. So I have been given to deliver on sustainable development and community actions. And you have requested me to talk on the sustainable tourism as well. Definitely, I will come into that point. I started my social activist as a president of the Apatani Youth Association in 2014. Then Apatani Youth Associations is actually the harbinger of the modern Apatani. What we see today is because of the social movement they have started in 70s and 80s in Zero Valley. Because of that effect, that impact of that movement, now today Apatani is known one of the most advanced tribes in Arunachal Pradesh. So, unlike other NGOs, the Apatani Youth Associations is something different from the other NGOs. And I beg to state, the NGOs are now being used as to extract and to blackmail the authorities. But very sorry to say, but Apatani Youth Associations, we are practicing something where political leaders have failed to do that. And वो आइडिया को हम लोग छीन कर चुरा के हम लोग काम करता है. So, मैं सीधा वही पर आ जाएगा. What we started is in what we have done under the sustainable way, which we have done it. Zero या कोई भी अरुणाचल प्रदेश, wherever you see, be it Abasar, be it Rajang, be it Waka, be it wherever you goes, there is the settlement pattern, the civilization of that areas is based on the three pillars. One, watershed, river, and then settlement. This is peculiar to the Himalayan region. And whenever you disturb the watershed, it affects the river system. Whenever river system affects, it affects the settlement systems. So it is very fragile. So here political leaders, they fail to see the things. So when I started as a president, I see that this is the way, this is the place, this is the opportunity where we can contribute something to our society. तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया कि zero, when I talk about the zero, actually it's reflect the other place as well. Why? The settlement pattern, the way of life is almost all similar in everywhere in Arunachal Pradesh. मैं अभी जो कहा है, एक नदी बहता है, उसके ऊपर में सेटलमेंट होता है. वो नदी आपको प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट करता है, and this nadi feed your irrigations. That nadi, that rivers is used for the drinking purpose. And we sustain our civilizations is really based on that rivers. So I have seen in Zero, the Zero is unfortunately, the God has given everything to us. Climate is wonderful. Hamara watershed is wonderful. The peoples are peace-loving. We have almost more than 20 square kilometer of flat land. लेकिन एक चीज हमको कमी दिया गया, वो है नदी हमको नहीं दिया. We don't have a river. We have a stream, bigger than Nala, bigger than, we call it as a clay. Clay means river. तो हमारा अपातनी में क्ले का बड़ा नदी का हमारा उसमें ओट नहीं होता है. तो इसीलिए we call it as a clay, but it's a big stream. I have seen that the clay, it is stretches of more than 22 kilometers, more than 20, maybe 28 kilometers, including all the streams. And it's diagonally flow in the middle of the Apatani Valley, bisecting the eastern part village in some part and western in some part. I have seen it in 2014 when I took over as the president of AYA. The clay became a dumping ground. Garbage, solid waste are now being dumped there, where the sanitaries were being dumped there. Now it's become the river was so dirty. And I see, if we kill this river, then हमारा existence ही खत्म हो जाएगा. Then we have framed a policy. We have launched a concept, clean zero, green zero. Clean का मतलब hygienic, green का मतलब reflecting the preservation of environment, I mean ecology. तो हमने क्या किया, what we did कि तो we mobilized the peoples कि at least you go to clay once in a year कि how much I have destroyed a river. We started with this concept. Then we organized on the 13th November of the 2015 that we launched Mission Clean Clay River. I never expect that people will turn up in such a way. I have arranged a refreshment for 1,000 people. But when I saw from early in the morning, I saw there were more than 8,000 people that turned up in every, there were the waves of humans on the each streams of the river. Then I failed to surprise. मैं कहाँ से किसको कैसे से manage करूँ? Then I started realizing, now people are realizing this. कि we have done something wrong, we need to do something. We need to act on this. Then that was a wonderfully successful. We started a Mission Clean Clay River in 2014. Sorry, Professor Jumna, it was not in 2017, it was 2014 we started. And it is still continuing. And last year it was 10th years. 2024 was the 10th years of our Mission Clean Clay River. We don't give much publicity on this. What is important is now, the 13th November of the month, 13th November of the year, is now official holiday. Officials holiday in Zero, not official holiday, we declare it as an official day to conduct a Mission Clean Clay River by the district administrations. School बंद होता है, मार्केट बंद होता है, खेत जाने के लिए बंद करता है, तो सब उस दिन पर हम सबको बुलाकर आप नदी को कम से कम एक बार देखिए कि हमने कितना बर्बाद कर दिया. This is something we have did it, something new concept. not giving a photo sohi like we are carrying this, no. So what I mean to say is that this is the message. It should go to every youth. And the most important thing I must say is, the majority of the participant in the Mission Clean Clear River used to be a student. Now I can see that the students who cleaned the river in 10 years back now must be the full citizen, fully mature citizen age of now. Now that is the lesson which never taught in the textbook, but we impart such kind of lesson to the young generation so that they become a harbinger, they becomes a leaders in the futures, and to create a environment consciousness among the society. ये हमारा इस प्रकार से जहाँ पर I beg to say that जहाँ पर politicians कम दिखाई देता है उसमें हम लोग चिप इन करके ऐसे काम करके देखा है। दूसरा बहुत बड़ा चीज है, उसमें हमने देखा है कि क्लीन जीरो ग्रीन जीरो, इसमें हम सोचा दिस इज ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कंसेप्ट। तो उसमें इंसिडेंटली क्या हुआ था कि स्वच्छ भारत मिशन 2014 में जब लॉन्च हुआ, हम उनसे 12 दिन आगे हम लॉन्च किया गया था। We never know the Swachh Bharat mission will launch in India. लेकिन we launched the Clean Zero, Green Zero 12 years ahead of the Swachh Bharat mission. Then we see हमारे जीरो में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, नदी तो बर्बाद कर रहा है। Secondly, we are destroying the watershed to extract to acquiring the sand and the stones, and which is very dangerous. तो उसी कारण से इरिगेशन चैनल में द स्ट्रीम्स इरिगेशन चैनल जो सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चरल सिस्टम्स व्हिच आर अपॉन डिपेंड ऑन दैट इरिगेशन चैनल, उसी को हम डिस्ट्रॉय करते जा रहा है। द वाटर शेड जहां पर हम जो पानी हमको देता है उसी को पेड़ को गिराते जा रहा है फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड। तो हमने सोचा कि उसको और क्या करना है। तो थर्ड लिस्ट ऑफ ये बहुत बड़ा चीज है कि नाउ पीपल आर स्टार्टेड डंपिंग द पेडी फील्ड इन ऑर्डर टू कन्वर्ट इट फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ द हाउस। वी हैव सीन कि if we started doing this, we will destroy the visuals appearance of the Zero Valley. We will destroy the paddy field. The paddy field is the roots of Apatani cultures. उसी से शादी होने से उसी से देता है, उससे राइस हम देता है। कोई भी पूजा करो, दरी करो, म्योको करो, कुछ भी करो, वो पेडी फील्ड को उसको उसी आधार पर उसी को हम लोग we spray for the bounty of the agriculture products, उसी के लिए हम लोग करता है। और सब चीज whatever we do is revolve around the paddy fields and revolve around the environment, and by natures we are nature lovers। तो इसीलिए हमने क्या सोचा कि if we started feeling among the all the most important started feeling our paddy field, तो हमारा एग्जिस्टेंस ही खत्म हो जाएगा। Then we have started fighting with a lot of individuals, people and government कि आप जो पूर्वजों ने द सेंचुरीज इतना साल पहले उस समय में जहां पर वो आयरनी नहीं